This video will demonstrate two product lines. The first is the tracking system, where walnuts are tracked from the field to the huller, into the dryer, and lastly to the buyer. The second line of WECO products is the sorting of walnuts at the huller and the automated moisture meter. WECO has the ability of controlling the bin air door, fill gates, empty gates, and the recirculation of hot air in your dryer building. All devices are designed to lower labor inputs and reduce fuel consumption. From the orchard, the walnuts are gathered and deposited into the truck. The driver is given a ticket that indicates the grower, variety of walnut, and the field number, as well as which trailer it left the field in. The driver arrives at the huller and hands the ticket to the processor. She records when the driver arrives at the huller with his load of walnuts. WECO AG track system then records when the processing begins, starting with dropping walnuts in the pit. WECO Walnut Sorter works seamlessly with the AG Track software to record the percentage of walnuts rejected per trailer and which bins the good nuts go into. WECO Moisture Meter monitors the moisture and drying process. After the drying process has been completed, the WECO system tracks which bin is placed into an outgoing trailer and who the buyer is. Once the buyer receives the truck, they send back the final weight. After recording final weight into the WECO AG Track software, you have complete traceability from the field to the buyer. Sorting walnuts begins after the truck arrives at the huller and the lot tracking of the walnuts has been started. The walnuts are first washed and then hulled, after which they will be sorted with WECO sorting equipment, effectively removing green, black, sunburn, and foreign material. Once the walnuts have been sorted, they are moved into its drying bin. WECO monitors drying of walnuts through a unique process that integrates moisture monitoring in the bin, automation of the air door for the dryer, the automation of the fill gates and empty gates, as well as the automation of the recirculation and controlling humidity in dryer plenum.